It's Bonnie. Happy Friday! We are doing a late night body care day video right now. I know I am really late, but I have been working literally nonstop with my good friend and collaborator Lenny on this pilot in the name of Jamie Wakefield. It's on Ecclesia Arts if you want to head over there. I'm doing PR, marketing, and editing. I'm also excited about Body Care Day tomorrow. Oh my goodness, we got to talk about this. By the way, it was warm today. It was like 80 degrees? I did make it down to the beach. I got to say, that was actually fun. So I'm going to put up a screenshot right here. This is big, you guys. It's the All Body Care Day at Bath & Body Works. Tomorrow only, in stores and online. You have to use the code UNWRAP online. Shipping is free on 50. I did get that email just now. And I don't know if you can use a coupon. Some stores may let you. Some may not. Thank you, Jason. I gotta check my P.O. box. I think I might have a 20% off coupon. I'm gonna try and use that coupon because if you do 20% off, and like I said, I don't know if they're gonna let you, but we're gonna try minus 20%. That's gonna be $476 for the body care. So what does this include? I'm thinking it includes everything because I was reading the fine print on the email and it looks like it's going to include, of course, fine fragrance mist, which is a great deal because your fine fragrance mist and your body cream are going to be two of the most expensive, actually, in the body butter. We didn't even get to body butter yet. These are always a great deal during a set body care price day because instead of paying $16.95, $17.95, what are these? $18.95, you're going to pay that set price, which is a great deal. No matter how you do it, it's a great deal. I love Body Care Day. I'm trying to think last year when we had Body Care Day. Did we have one early and then another one later? Because it's usually in December. But I seem to remember last year they also did 2 body care days. So I'm thinking this year it's going to be a 2-for event. Usually they do one like in December, like the first week of December. It's like usually Candle Day and then Body Care Day. But you're going to want to take advantage of this one if you want the Christmas products. Other things that they might be having. If you can get your hands on the Shimmer Fizz body lotion, always a good deal because these are $18.95. I think it does include everything. I saw the body butter in the actual ad. Body butters this year are $19.95. Oh my God. So that's like almost a 75% off savings on the body butter. That's a great deal. Shapeable soap, buy these now, and then you can use them for Christmas gifts. So no matter how you look at it, it's a great deal. Shower gel and the lotion, you're not going to save quite as much, but you are going to save a decent amount, enough that you want to do it because shower gel in the Storybook collection is $14.95. So let's go ahead and do the math here. So $14.95 minus $5.95, you're going to save $9. So that's like more than half. Any way you look at this, it is a great deal. It is a stock up event. So do you go all out? Honestly, it's the best deal. So here's what you can get. So $5.95 times 10, $59.50 for 10 items. Seriously, best deal of the early season. Like I said, we could have another body care day later, but you're going to want to do it now. So what are my top recommendations? Okay, you're going to want to definitely get all of your faceted. Yes, I am going on the Twisted Peppermint train. That's what I'm doing. The Twisted Peppermint. I want Twisted Peppermint. I'm getting the whole set. I'm going for sets here because I want to be able to review for you guys full sets. I want to do cream, mist, lotion, shower gel. So that's what I'm going for. So Your faceted is going to be $17.95. This is also a really good time to try a scent that you might not be interested in, like goldenberry mistletoe. You could get 1 or 2 items just to see if you like it. So, Vanilla Bean Noel, Winter Candy Apple, Twisted Peppermint. Oh, this isn't. This is Vanilla Bean Noel. This is the Goldenberry Mistletoe. Anyway, there's 4 in that collection. I definitely recommend getting your threesome, your Twisted Peppermint, Vanilla Bean Noel, and Winter Candy Apple tomorrow. Stock up for the holidays. Definitely. Okay. Storybook collection. Did they put this online today, by the way? That's something I'm kind of out of touch with. I did not see that. I noticed it's in the promo. So I'm like, did they put it online? No. I don't know why. Is it going to be online tomorrow? I don't know. You're going to have to go into your store, I think, to get this. I want to get the whole set in the cream. Jolly Gingerbread Village, it's a little weird. It's got the timber note. A lot of people love the Frosted Coconut Snowball. This is a big recommendation because a lot of people love it. You're going to want to get it tomorrow. The Bright Christmas Morning. Bright Christmas Morning. It smells like holiday punch. A lot of people are going to want to get this. Try it out. You might like it. I like it in the shower gel. Okay. So then we have the Storybook collection. Strawberry Snowflakes. One of my #1 recommendations. It is absolutely fabulous. Get that tomorrow. If you like strawberry, if you like a strawberry meringue candy scent, that's going to be one you're going to want to stock up on tomorrow. The creams are absolutely gorgeous. They kind of shimmer a little bit. They get the metallic. I love these. Winterberry Wonder is always a good scent. Snowflakes and Cashmere, total yes. Fairy Tale. I actually have, oh my gosh, where is my order? I ordered a ton of stuff, and this is kind of annoying because I paid more. I'm like, I just return all that tomorrow. I'm like, what the heck? Why did I did the early one hoping I'd have all my stuff, and I don't even have it yet. So I don't know where my order is. I don't know if it got lost or what. Let me see here. Oh, Dark Kiss, Dahlia, Champagne Toast. What's the other one in the, I have it, You're the One. What's the third one that I'm missing? Dahlia, Dark Kiss, You're the One, and, what the heck, you guys? I know what it is. I'll think of it. Here's Dahlia. These are absolutely gorgeous, and they're pricey at $18.95. Dark Kiss is fabulous. I would highly recommend Dark Kiss. It's got like a little bit of that kind of patchouli, deep, fruity note. A lot of people love it. Dahlia is a classy scent. That's got the Velvet Dahlia petals, crisp pear, praline musk, whipped tonka bean. Another really good scent. The Fairy Tale in the the Festive Forest, always a good one. I really want to see if I can get my hands on the Winter Candy Apple Body Butter and the Shimmer Fizz in the Winter Candy Apple. I didn't see it at my store last time. What else do I have here? What else do I have? Oh, Luminous. If you've been wanting to try Luminous, tomorrow's the day to do it. These are $18.95. You get the cool lid. I would stock up on your Luminous if you like it. This one is the Ruby Currant, Gilded Iris, Praline Amber. I like it. It's a little powdery for some. I don't know why I like it. Why do I like Luminous? Stock up on your Luminous. What else do I have in my bin here? Oh, here's the Goldenberry Mistletoe in the shower gel. I need to get my shower gels tomorrow. My Twisted Peppermint, because these are pricey. $15.95. Also, men's care. You're going to want to get your, what is it, Bright Northern. I got to look this up, you guys. The Bright Northern Lights thingy with the pine and the eucalyptus. You got to get that one tomorrow. All of the aromatherapy is going to be on sale, and all of the men's collection. So this is a great time here. What's it called? It's called Northern Brights. I definitely want to get that one. I think the Coco Shea collection will probably be included. I am guessing. Usually they include Coco Shea, and then the men's care classic flannel. You're going to want to pick any of, if you're shopping for men for Christmas, get everything tomorrow. This is like the best sale ever to shop for Christmas gifts. So shop for yourself, shop for the Christmas gifts, $5.95. I'll be back. I think I'm going to review a couple things tonight just to give you an idea. I will be going tomorrow to get a haul, and I will see you guys later. Let me know what you guys think of Body Care Day. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.